Supreme Court on Tuesday dismissed a plea challenging the decision of Central Board of Secondary Education and Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations to cancel the board examinations this year owing to the ongoing COVID-19 crisis. The Apex Court also dismissed all challenges mounted to the new assessment policies that have been devised by CBSE and CISCE for computation of marks. Leaders of several opposition parties, including TMC, SP, Aam Aadmi Party, RLD, and the left parties, assembled at NCP chief Sharad Pawar's residence in New Delhi on Tuesday to hold a meeting amid the heightened speculation about the possibility of a third front against the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday praised the cooperation between the centre and states amid the coronavirus pandemic, saying that they were able to borrow significantly more in 2020 to 2021 and raise an extra 1.06 lakh crore rupees. Prime Minister Modi said in a blog on LinkedIn, 23 states availed of additional borrowings of 1.06 lakh rupees crore out of a potential 2.14 lakh crore rupees. This significant increase in the availability of resources was made possible by an approach of centre-state bhagidari. When we formulated our economic response to the COVID-19 pandemic, we wanted to ensure that our solutions do not follow a one-size-fits-all model. PM Modi wrote in the blog, Reforms by Conviction and Incentives. The Mumbai police on Tuesday submitted the charge sheet in the television rating points scam case, naming editor-in-chief of Republic TV Arnab Goswami as an accused. Goswami and 4 others from ARG Outlier Media that owns Republic TV, COO Priya Mukherjee, Shivendu Mulelkar and Shiva Sundaram have been named as accused in the 1800-page second supplementary charge sheet, reported Live Law. An FIR in the case was registered 9 months ago after former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh named the channel being involved in the scam. As India emerges from the deadly second wave of COVID, the Delta Plus variant, a mutant version of the Delta strain first detected in India, has been found in 22 cases across 3 states, including Maharashtra, the government said today. Experts in Maharashtra fear the new variant could potentially trigger a third wave. Delta Plus cases have been found in Maharashtra's Ratnagiri and Jalgaon, parts of Kerala, as well as Madhya Pradesh.